good morning. My name is Jayapandi. Jspiders is a good institute with experienced faculty. I would recommend Jspiders to join. The way they teach us, like it's easy to understand. They will conduct mocks and weekly tests, so that can anyone easily crack interviews. The faculties are good and teaching in simple style, so that anyone can understand simply. I especially thank you for the trainers Uday sir, Keshav sir, and Sarik sir for the encouragement and cooperations. And HRs are very friendly and supportive. I'm really proud of being one of the student in JSPiders. And thank you.